Hello, hello. What are today's messages? You know the answer already. Let sit happen to you. Sit happens. When you take a minute to slow down and breathe, it's easier to see the message. Mel Robbins. Action. Place this card in environments where you tend to get stressed and need a reminder to slow down and breathe. Let your dreams shift and reshape, just like your life shifts and shapes every day. Ask yourself every morning, am I shaping my life the way I want it to be? Number 39, dream board. Visualize it, feel it, believe it. Create a dream board. Be specific. Bring your aspirations to life. What will be on yours? Dreams really can come true. It's all up to you. Alrighty, let's take some quotes out of here. I drive home so quick after work, like I'm late for the house. That one's cute. My love knows no bounds. I am endless. Money doesn't bring happiness, but happiness brings money. If you keep thinking that you need money, then you'll keep attracting needing money. You have to find a new way of being happy now, of feeling good now, of being in joy now, without the money. Because those great feelings are what attracts money. The secret. Choose you. Make yourself happy. You're being guided to make your happiness a priority today. Take control over your joy by actively choosing yourself in this moment. Listen to your favorite music. Express yourself creatively or perform an act of kindness. You can't solve a problem with the same mind that created it. Any problem can be solved with a spiritual solution. Wayne Dyer. Your soul is seeking new challenges. Let yourself be free. And the last one today. I accept challenges are the best ways to learn. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.